what if you could apply or wear living light to yourself and let it attune your body, your mind, and your spirit to the wisdom of the stars? Well, I've done this. I've been working with 5 different galactic star groups that have come together as a council, and they have, in this coded information, what I call the Scalar Light Keys. I've put together and transmitted it into product that you can literally wear and work with at your own pace. This is transmissions of photonic intelligence, and it's infused with frequencies from these beings of wisdom, these 5 groups, which are the Arcturian, Pleiadian, Lyran, Sirius, and Andromedan. And I've put them into crystal beads and into kinesiology tape. And you can wear the tape on your body wherever your body may feel like you have stagnant energy. You place it on that area and it speaks. It's alive, like as if you were talking to your dog or your cat or another person. It is alive, it's living, and you speak to it. You ask, you engage, you activate in order to experience and to share what it is you're looking for. Our DNA is like an antenna. It transmits and it receives. So what you're putting out is what you're going to receive. And this living light, what it does is it brings to you what you are intending or desiring. So by speaking to it, you're activating it. And so I invite you to go to my website, check it out, and find out more about these products. I am super excited. This is something I've been working on for a while as I've been transmitting these codes to people individually and in groups, but now they're in a product that you can work with by yourself. So you have an opportunity to work with the light and not have to think, how are you going to do it? It's encoded right there for you. So check it out. I'm excited. Give me feedback. I'd love to hear what you have to tell me. I've received stories from different people, what they've experienced. So I hope and wish for you the very best. Much gratitude. Thank you.